Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades, and today we're going to do our weekly Sunday stock talk. So today we're going to go over the top stocks, and I'm also going to show you something that I do that I don't think I mentioned in a Sunday stock talk before getting ready for the upcoming week. So as always, we're going to look at SPY first. SPY is the ETF for the S&P 500 index, and this will determine where all big name blue chip stocks will be trading. Like if SPY has huge momentum to the upside, most likely we'll see all the tech stocks and all the stocks that are in SPY or the S&P 500 shoot up as well. So let's start to look at SPY. So if we track these lows here, we are still on this uptrend, this trending up. We're breaking through highs, so this was a previous high. We broke through, we made a new high, then we made a new high, and now we're making a new high. This right here is the line from our previous, okay, this is an ETF, so they do mess up a lot. This is not the high. The all-time high is right here at 287 about. So that is where this line is coming from. I think I zoomed in too much. So we pushed up to 286, got rejected. We went down for a small bounce to try to retest that level, and we got rejected again, almost forming what is known as a double top. We're pulling back and starting, we have this doji here, which is indicative of a reversal. It's not really a doji, it's more of a hammer, but that's more of an indecision candle, showing that we may see buyers start to step it up and come back in. So two things that I can see happen. One, we start to reverse here for the upside, or we do a little fake. We get rejected at this blue line, which is the EMA line I've done a video over, and then it's going to bounce off this line and back up. So again, 286 and 287 will be crucial resistance levels in the upcoming week. And the support level you should be watching out for is 281 or 282. So this would be your support range, and this would be your resistance range. So just watch that, and let's go on to our first stock, Tesla. So around this, Elon Musk, I think it was around here, tweeted, I'm going to take, okay, I did not read the tweet, so I'm going off based off memory of what I heard my friends say. Elon Musk said, I'm taking Tesla to 420, and I'm taking the company private. What private means is that people will no longer be able to buy shares because it won't be public. I believe, I don't know too much about private companies except they're not on the stock market. So this increased the volume for buying, knowing that no one else could no longer get into the stock if he takes it private. So that is what is known as manipulation, which is stopped by the SEC. So what are we looking at going into the next week of Tesla? Tesla, I believe, is sitting on 2 lawsuits. So this can mean a few things. Either nobody will touch this stock, or so many people will be trying to sell it to get rid of it during the lawsuit, like it closed below a support / resistance level. So I believe we can see this take back down to 320. But again, if he wins the lawsuit, most likely will not, we can definitely expect a drop down. But if not, there will be a lot of motions playing in Tesla. So I believe we will just be playing off these support and resistance lines of 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, and 380. Those will be the crucial support and resistance lines. Definitely watch for those. Let's go on to Netflix. Netflix on the 4-hour chart. It looks like we formed a double top here. That was a long time ago. Earnings, we played down under earnings. All right, this line is screwing me up. It's not even straight. This shows you how much I look at the 4-hour chart, which is not a lot. I mainly look at the 15-hour, but when we're trying to get a huge time frame per perspective going into the next week, it's best to have the 4-hour chart. All right, so as you can see here, we're getting near the support. How do I know this is a support level? This is where a bunch of consolidation has happened in the past. We're bouncing here. This is going to be our next act of support. If we can bounce off this support level here and continue up, then our next resistance will be 370. So the way that I will be playing Netflix is in between 340 and 370. Break below 342, we'll be looking for a quick short or put. break above or a break above this, continuation of 370, maybe looking for a call. Facebook, here we go, huge drop off earnings, blah, 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 blah. We're starting to recover. We get rejected at the 185 resistance level. It looks like we are pulling down with no signs of reversing just yet. So watch for either a bounce right here at the 180 level, or we can just trade it straight back down to, my opinion, 175. I think 175 is a good median level that we've seen in the past, where it just seems to bounce and hold. So either we're looking for it to bounce at 170 or 175 and trade in this range. I believe we're going to trade back into this range here between 170 and 195 for a little while until SPY breaks to all-time highs. Then I believe Facebook will start to pick up. Micron, just another busy downtrending watch for the 50 as support. Apple, we're getting close to all-time highs here. We're definitely pushing up here, mainly because of earnings. And it's just doing great. It's the first $1 trillion, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Great news, great PR, everything for Apple's in their favor, and the technicals are definitely showing that as well. So our support level will be placed here at around 206, actually at 206, and our resistance will be 210. So watch for either a break below 206 or a break above 210, or just trade the range in between that. We shall see what happens after that. Again, a lot of what happens with Apple will determine what happens with SPY. If SPY continues to crash, Apple should go below 206. NVIDIA, whatnot, still uptrend. As you can see here, if we connect the bottoms. Baidu, we're coming down to a support level here at 215, 210. That's our support and high. So here's this can be two things. You can either take things as a stock swing trade, or you buy like 2 months out call, so that theta does not affect you if you want to swing it all the way back up. AMD, we're breaking up to all-time highs ish. We broke up to 20. We're still making these higher lows, which is good. But we did make a lower high. So we are going to connect these for now. Again, I can think this will pull down further for either a break up, which I don't think it is. It's a little overextended, or a breakdown back to the support at 17. So just watch that on AMD. And Amazon, we're following this support line or this trend line we put in. We're slowly making all-time highs. Look, this has had a nice run-up recently, so watch for a little pullback here around to the 1,840 level, because that's where our trend line will be, and then a nice bounce up for just a nice continuation trend. GE, short, definitely short GE. Again, I'm not saying short GE, I'm just saying that's what it looks like. We're coming down here of red, 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 red. We're consolidating into this triangle here, and now we're starting to break below these lows of $12, $12.50, and we're breaking below, so might be a put play. Bank of America doing good till it hits that 32 resistance level. Might see a pull back down to the 30 and trade in between that range. Oops, skip to Boeing, nothing much. ABA, as you can see here, just our range that we're watching. We can see this pull down back to 170 before we continue upward. JPM, nothing much. We're just hitting a resistance level, so watch that for a pullback. Square, just uptrending. Watch for break of all-time highs. Is that it? FedEx, yes, FedEx. Not bad. It's just an easy stock. Okay, that's a Sunday Stock Talk. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Dang it. I'm not re-editing this video, so I'm just going to continue on. What I wanted to show y'all was if you go to forexfactory.com, okay, and you click on calendar, which is what I have here, you can look at all the news for each country or currency pair. So again, we are in the United States, so all we are worried about is the currency USD. Okay, and it ranks the folders. If it's super important, it's red. If it's medium, it's orange. If it's low, it's yellow. So as we can see here on Monday, we have mortgage delinquencies to discuss. Um, so that's important. Okay, that will affect more of the real estate things, right? Then you have nothing much. Tuesday, you have small businesses and import prices. Um, then on Wednesday, we have a lot here with the Empire State, blah, 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 unit cost, capacity, industry, business, crude inventories, long-term purchases, all the many things, housing. So we know that's real estate, building permits, definitely real estate, and a bunch of stuff like that. So that's just cool to look at when you just to have a general idea of important factors that are going into the week. All right, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.